everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are excited to share our custom jewelry boxes. Not only keep your jewelry well organized, but also highlight your unique style through personalization. Now let's get in our result. This compact custom jewelry box offers ample space for organizing all types of jewelry. With multiple compartments, it ensures that every piece like rings, earrings, or necklaces has its own designated spot, making it easy to access and preventing tampering. Our custom jewelry boxes are made with pure leather, offering both durability and easy cleaning using UV printing technology. Each box features vibrant designs that resist fading, ensuring your personalized design lasts. And with a variety of color options available, you can find the perfect match of any design or style. A beautifully designed jewelry box is perfect for various occasions. At home, it elegantly sits on your vanity to store all your jewelry. While traveling, it's lightweight and portable, keeping your jewelry secure. You can also print your cherished memories on the surface, making it a thoughtful gift for Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our products. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video.